Hello, we're Team 4, and today we'll present to you Airbnb. So, Airbnb. Basically, before Airbnb became a popular digital platform, the concept of renting out a room or space in your home to travelers was already a thing. It was commonly known as homestays. So, therefore, Airbnb, the co-founder Brian Chesky and Joe Gebbia, started the business by creating a website called Airbed and Breakfast in 2007. They were offering travelers an affordable alternative to expensive hotels during a design conference starting in San Francisco. And basically, the concept was renting out a room or space, informal and dependent on personal connections or word of mouth. It originates as alternatives to expensive hotels. And basically, the idea is the air mattress that provided as well breakfast. It started with a platform promotion through the conference that has started it.
Airbnb heavily relies on technology to ensure that users are guaranteed the most thrilling travel accommodation opportunities, personalized to their specific needs, interests, and history, hence enhancing the customer journey and the company's value proposition. With technology, Airbnb facilitates its booking process through features that allow hosts to create listings and manage bookings, all whilst ensuring secure payment systems, messaging features to streamline communication between hosts and guests.
Now let's look at what Airbnb is currently doing with technology and AI. Airbnb has developed a deep learning algorithm to identify rooms and key features of listing photos in order to display the most relevant images to guests and to confirm the amenities hosts claim to offer. This makes it easier for guests to quickly validate the amenities offered. Also, Airbnb can show guest photos based on distinct room types that they're most interested in. Airbnb further uses data analysis to determine which images guests are most interested in to then lay photos out in a personalized manner to make guests more likely to book. In the image on the top left side of the screen, Airbnb's algorithm correctly identified two photos as pools and the right two photos as not pools. This technology opens a new door where listing photos are searchable by amenities, which also helps guests navigate listings much more easily.
So another way Airbnb use AI is their dynamic pricing, which is called the Airbnb Smart Pricing. It's an in-app optional tool that analyzes relevant data and factors for property listing. It also automatically updates a listing price to match the demand of the market, but only within a minimum price to a maximum price range of the guest setting. The smart pricing is based on local demand in the area, amenities, and listing quality, the average number of people who view the listing, the number of average rating of the reviews, the room type, the calendar availability, and the searches for listings similar to the listing that are conducted by guests.
Airbnb uses machine learning algorithms to provide personalized recommendations to its users. Some of its common algorithms include collaborative filtering, using user behavior and interactions with the platform to generate recommendations based on similar patterns, natural language processing, which understands user reviews and feedback to improve the accuracy of recommendations, interactive chatbots, and deep learning neural networks, which extract meaningful patterns from data to generate personalized recommendations. The algorithms analyze a user's past search and booking history as well as their interaction with the platform to determine their preferences and interests. This data is then used to generate customized recommendations for listing, locations, and experiences. Airbnb also uses social signals such as connections on social media or past travel companions to provide personalized recommendations to its users. This personalized approach allows Airbnb to offer a unique, tailor-made experience.
So let's start with the suggestions. Our first suggestion will be to offer virtual reality tours in all our platforms, allowing customers to experience the property before booking. This could give customers a more immersive experience and help them more informed booking decisions. We would have 360-degree videos or virtual reality walkthroughs of the properties, as you can see in the video, interactive floor plans, virtual experiences, etc. By using VR reality, Airbnb could enhance the booking process by providing customers with a more realistic and immersive preview of their accommodation. This could really reduce the number of cancellations and improve the overall customer experience.
The use of the interactive map. Airbnb can offer an interactive map using AR similar to many star spotting applications. Customers will be able to use their camera in a gyroscopic mode and see different attractions close by, such as events, restaurants, and bars. Instead of having to load it onto a GPS, they can simply follow the application that is pointed towards the direction of their desired location utilizing their own phone's camera. By using augmented reality, Airbnb can enhance the booking process by providing customers with more experiences around their locations that may not be available in maps. This could increase the popularity of location and create better, fond memories. Use of Internet of Things. Lots of homes in the US utilize smart technology. Airbnb can integrate these applications to be able to utilize some of the smart home features like a thermostat. Customers will be able to control different smart home features in the house that the landlord gives Airbnb access to. Customers will feel more at home and feel more in control and use these smart technologies to make their stay more relaxing and memorable. Some of the common features are Ring cameras, thermostats, as well as Philips Hue lights. By using the Internet of Things, Airbnb could enhance the customer experience by providing customers with the ability to access smart technologies in their house through the Airbnb application. This will allow customers to have a more personalized experience.
The key suggestion number 4 is the use of fraud detection for Airbnb, and basically it uses an AI algorithm to scan listening and identify patterns that detect the fraud prior to the client booking, so no misunderstandings happen and no fraud. Basically, it works that it checks reviews, it reviews the history of the Airbnb, it has a payment verification, and therefore it becomes a more reliable platform for the customer.
In conclusion, all this AI technology used by Airbnb will definitely help the brand tailor-made experiences that fit the requirement of the customer, facilitate a connection between the host and the customers, and create a wholesome experience through a safe and secure travel. It will also help with creating significant revenues and employees opportunities. On this note, thank you for following us throughout our presentation, and let us know if you have any questions. Thank you.